If you are getting a call from a certain person even though do not disturb mode is enabled in your Samsung device, then what you can do is open the control center and then you have to touch on this do not disturb mode and hold, so that you go to this do not disturb option, go to this option allow exceptions and go to this option calls from, and if you see you have selected favorite contacts only, then what you have to do is you have to select none. So this is one way, or else the other way is you have to open the contact application and then suppose this is the contact from where you are getting calls even though do not disturb mode is enabled, then what you have to do is you have to tap on this contact to open it and then make sure that you remove this contact from the favorite list by tapping on this star icon, and now it is removed from the favorite list. Now you will not get call from this contact when you enable do not disturb mode. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.